whether it is an equipment at your industry or your personal equipment. All kind of equipment need a proper maintenance. What happens if there is no maintenance? They will definitely end up in failure, causing losses to you or to the company you are working. The maintenance activity is considered to better only based on when it was done, what was actually done, and how it's done. In this video, we are going to learn about the types of maintenance activities and when, what and how they need to be done. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. In general, the maintenance activity is classified into 6 types. Reactive maintenance, corrective maintenance, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, routine maintenance, and condition-based maintenance. In some case they are grouped as 2 categories: planned maintenance and unplanned maintenance. When you are traveling in a car and your car suddenly stops with smoke from engine, what comes to your mind? Yes, you need maintenance. You need to fix the issue with engine to run the car again. Am I right? Such a type of maintenance, which is done only after the breakdown, is known as a reactive maintenance. On another day, you have just parked the car after a long drive and you have noticed oil leakage from engine. Yes, you are right. You need maintenance and the issue need to be immediately fixed even your car is still running. And this kind of maintenance, which is done after inspection or identification issue, is called as corrective maintenance. In both the cases, the car is stopped without any prior planning. What if you don't have any proper support or money to fix the issue? Strange, right? Is there any way to stop this unplanned breakdowns? Yes. Experts in car maintenance will study and propose you a pre-planned schedule of when and what have to be done. Such a scheduled and pre-planned maintenance activity is known as preventive maintenance. By this method, you can eliminate most of your unplanned breakdowns. Good job. But still, what if you haven't drive the car frequently and your preventive maintenance schedule asks you change engine oil once in every 3 months? This too cost you a lot. Am I right? What if have data on oil level and condition, or else a sensor to monitor the oil? Smart way, isn't it? Doing a maintenance activity based on past data or monitoring devices is known as predictive maintenance. And the maintenance activity that you do on daily basis or in short frequent times, such as cleaning the mirror and shields, is generally referred as routine maintenance. When your car condition is not clean and you plan for a clean dry wash, such a maintenance activity is called as condition-based maintenance. Hope you are now clear with all type of maintenance and when they need to be done. But always remember, prevention is better than cure. Subscribe and like the video for more amazing contents. Comment if any clarifications needed. Thanks for watching.